Okay, another strategy that you may use or students may use is called halving, and it's actually for division. So it's not so much a multiplication strategy, but it's more for division. So if students were to come across a question such as 64 divided by 4, they would take half of 4, which would be 2 and 2, and then they would go 64 divided by 2 equals 32, and they would take the 32 and divide it by the second 2, and they would get 16. So that's how they would answer that one. There's also repeated halving, which just means you're doing it more than twice. So you may have a question such as 96 divided by 2, and students would know that we can split, sorry, that should be an 8. Let's quickly change that. Okay, 96 divided by 8, sorry. They would know that 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. So they would have 3 2's. So then they would just take the 96 and divide it by the first 2, okay, which they would know would be 48. And they would take 48 and divide it by 2, which would be 24. And then they have one more 2 left, so they do 24 divided by 2 equals 12. And so their final answer would be 12. So that's called repeated halving.